how to write it. Okay, let me explain that. So it is written in a single stroke, in a single downward vertical stroke, single downward vertical stroke extending below the line in a rounded L shape. Okay. Okay, so it is written like this. Okay. Okay. And if you see here in other forms, if it is in the beginning, then it stays on the line. Okay, the top part. Okay, if it is in the middle, like this, and if it is at the end, so the top part remains on above the line and the bottom below the line. Can we connect it? Yes. Go in here, connect this one. So that would be like this. Sorry, 3 lambs. Okay, so that's the different forms of writing. Next.